Hey there viewers, welcome back. Just a very short video just to show you the latest update on our health and safety dashboard system, and it's just for those of you that are requesting the latest version. You will see that this function is now been added, and it started mainly because I just did a sort features, a sort dates, and then I realised I can get it to do it automatically using VBA. So anyway, so if we go to I don't know, task manager to start with, we go to there and you'll see we've got those tasks in there, and they're in chronological order anyway to a degree. But now if we're going to, let's just say we're going to change an existing one, let's say this one, list required risk assessments, and I'll say that is due on the 30th of July. We're now going to change that date to 30th of September. Okay, so I changed that, and then straight away it will resort that, and it's moved it down now to here, the risk assessments one, down to 30th of September. If I make that 30th of say 11th of June, 11th of June, yeah, let's make it 11th of June 06, and it'll move it again, and it's moved it up there to 11th of June. And so that's what it'll do, and it does that also on the risk assessment actions, on your audits, sorry. So on here, if you change that date, let's say you change that to 15th of 8th to 1, it's now moved it up to there, look, 15th at 7th. I did 15th to 8th. Yeah, I was right. I don't know my own system. Yeah, so it's now moved out. So if we then move that down to 15th of October, it will just move it down a few. So we go 1, 5, 10, and it's just moved it down to there. So that's, as you can see, that's quite handy, I think, for automatically updating, because it's easy to lose track of especially tasks and things that are due on a certain date. If it's not sorted, it can be lost in the ether, especially if you've got hundreds of things listed. So I thought I'd just put that in there to make it a lot more easy, because at the end of the day we're trying to make life easy for ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed that little update, guys, and I shall update it with it for further videos should anything else come up. Other than that, I know it's a Monday, but enjoy your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.